Yo Broly, what's up? So in this video, I just want to share with you a quick update regarding my new Rakk PIRAH and how you can further improve the overall sound and feel just by simply replacing the switches and the keycaps. So Rakk Gears already made some pre-modifications out of the box on this keyboard with lube stabilizers, stabilizer dampeners, silicone and foam dampeners. So essentially all you have to do again is just replace the switch and keycaps and you're all set. Now let me show you. So right here I have my Rakk PIRAH. So as you can see, it is significantly different compared to the stock configuration. But essentially what I did is I just replaced the stock Rakk Kalau switches with the lubed and filmed Durak L7 switches. And then I replaced the stock PBT keycaps with Ako Silent PBT keycaps. Now the stock keycaps is pretty decent. However, it is quite thin at around 1mm, while the Ako Silent is around 1.4mm in thickness. Now, thickness of course affects the overall sound of the keyboard as well as the characteristics of the switch, which is the reason why having lubed and filmed switch is better than stock configuration. So now here's how it sounds. Let's start with the stabilizers. So as you've heard, it is on the clacky side of things. And mind you, the stabilizers on this keyboard are just lubed. It doesn't have further modifications like Holy Mod or Micropore Mod. These are just lubed. Now the good thing about the stabilizers is that the stem are flat underneath, which also helps with the overall sound of this keyboard. Now here's a sound comparison between the stock configuration of the Rakk PIRAH against the new and improved version that I have here in a more controlled environment and with better audio equipment. So what I'm trying to explain to you guys is that with a pre-built keyboard like this, like the Rakk PIRAH with pre-modifications out of the box, you don't have to tear it apart, you don't have to add anything, you just need to replace the switches and keycaps and you're all set. So basically, I just want to give you guys a better understanding that you don't have to spend too much on a mechanical keyboard, especially if you can find a good pre-built mechanical keyboard like the Rakk PIRAH. I just love this mechanical keyboard, especially for everything it has to offer given the price point of just around 3,000 Philippine pesos or 56 US dollars. You can watch my full review if you want to learn how to tear this apart, just in case you want to learn the characteristics, you want to learn the parts, and just to be able to understand the construction of the Rakk PIRAH. And you can also watch my review so that you can have an idea about all the features, specifications, performance, and all my thoughts about this keyboard. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it, guys. I just want to give you guys a quick update, and I really love how my Rakk PIRAH looks right now. Now, the artisans are from quirkies and just an accessory and doesn't really matter when it comes to the purpose of this video. And yeah, I guess that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like this, and see you next time. Have a great day. You are always awesome.